What's going on, YouTube? Kind of late at night here, and actually I'm going to put the date so that way you know what date it is. Date. Is that right up here? It is April 28th, 2014. The time, to be exact, is 10:52. I just got home, and actually I had a surprise. I had my coming here, and it's to me from Bradford, PA, and you guys can pretty much guess what that is. Probably because you clicked on the title, or clicked on the video because you've seen the title. So let's get right into it. You might have already watched some other people's videos. Open this. I'm gonna try to open this on camera. Come on. Not worry about cutting anything right now, because alright. Looks like there's nothing else in there. And set that off over here. Alright, let's get into it. Looks like they got that tape on there. Ultra strength. Of course, the second I put it on camera, it's going to cooperate. Let me focus this up just a little more. Yep, I gotta go down. Sorry for moving you guys around here a lot. Ho-ho! Alright, got this set off the side too. Got some papers, and it looks like I got my 10 Zippos right there. There's that. Paper, packing stuff. Looks like they got some flints here. Each packet has 2 flints in it. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. Oh my gosh. Sweets. Alright. I didn't get a booklet with this one, which is really weird. I didn't get a Zippo booklet. Instead, I got a whole bunch of flints. I mean, I got a whole bunch. Really interesting. A whole bunch of flints and a card. So I didn't get a little pamphlet, which is alright. I'm fine. I'm happy with the flints. So let's see how many flints I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I got 24 flints. So that's fine. I got a little flint thing here. I actually got a flint right here. I put a bunch of them in actually. So with 12 flint pieces, I'll actually set that in this box here. And there's a new Zippo card. I know you just watched the one with PIZZSCN. He sent me that card. Now this can go in my backup card in case that one gets damaged. I'm going to try to find Zippo number 1 here that I had on my list. Break my phone all the way up. Go to my photos. Let's see here. Sorry I didn't have this ready. Should have had this ready already. Now, in the meantime, oh, there we go. First one was a slim. Interesting. Was it this one? Yes. Nope. Yeah. Yep, this is it. This is the first one. I'm actually going to set the rubber bands in here too. So, they give you your lighter with a sticker, which is awesome. Piece of paper just to say they protected it. And there's your original insert. Now, I'm going to take this off and see if they kept it true. Yeah, I don't have a Zippo on me. Actually, I do. I have some behind me that are eligible for stickers. They are brand new, never been used. That I would put putting flints in, brand new flints in, and storing them over the years. I know some people said that it's going to ruin your lighter, But personally, I don't really care, because I probably won't have them long enough to. I probably won't have it long enough to just. I might. I don't know. So let's pull this out of here. And there's number one. They kept it true. I'm just gonna leave that in there. That's not hurting anything, is it? Nah, I'm not gonna get that either. Just leave it in there. It's not hurting anything, so looks like they stayed true. I'm gonna try to make this a short video, so it's not a long one. I don't want this to be a long video. All I'm doing is stuffing this back in here, because this will be going back in this lighter. So, alright. Let's see. So, first of all, let's try to take this sticker off without peeling it. Oh, it came off. Great. Ironically, I got these Zippos. They were exactly 2 weeks. So, take a flint here. Grab a lighter behind me. This one, Eat, Ride, Sleep. It has a sticker, but they took it off. It's brand new. I should have actually prepared these with all these flints, so I didn't have to do that on camera. Probably shouldn't do this with this, but it's okay. It's only for a second. Right? Won't hurt. So I'm going to stick the flint in there. Put this in there. I'm not going to strike it because just twisting this down with my fingers. There's one last little hoorah. Just squeeze tighten it. And put the insert back in. And put the sticker on it. Once it starts sticking in. So, this sticker is going to go on the slider. Nope, I don't want it there. About right. Nope, that's sideways. I can't have it sideways. That'd drive me insane. Well, looks like I can't help it, but it's going to be sideways a little bit. But, so I'm going to do that for all lighters I have behind me. I dropped the box. So, now, this has a brand new seal on it. It is brand new. I'm only doing this to ones. If I can look at the back and see it shine in the light, that means it's good to go. So, let's get into this one. Oh yeah, look at that. Look how tight that hinge is. That is great. Even though I'm not going to be using this every day, I put a brand new insert in there, K of 13. Use a 2013 insert. So what I do is basically do this. All I wanted was a hinge. So that one done. Bonus insert. Next, slim. Here it is. I will eventually be taking the stickers off of these lighters. Oh yeah, I forgot the seal there. Let me get another lighter ready before I do that. Actually, this one's going on another slim that needs it. I know what you're saying. Why don't you use the flints in here? Why don't you use those? And you know what? You're right. I am going to use these. I got 24 flints. I guess they ran out of paper. The new deals in them with the new little booklet pamphlets, which is fine with me because I have a bunch of them. Basically, just tightening this down with your hand. Getting it hand tight, especially not striking it. Putting it back in the case. because that's what keeps the Zippo new, right? Without striking the flint. Alright, let's peel this off now. Hopefully all these come off without... Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Getting close. Oh, okay. Woo! They're starting to peel this up too. Alright. So, if I can see it shine in the back, that means it's the perfect candidate. So, we got a seal now. It's brand new. Here's ladder number 2 with a new seal on it now. Now let's get into this. Oh yeah, look at that hinge. That hinge is super tight, which is awesome. And I'm actually going to take this off. So it's already starting to come off. Comes right off. See if this comes right off the insert too. Nope, not quite as easy, but it comes off. There you go. See, these numbers match. So that's you got 863,990, 863,990. So put that back in here. Put the old one back in, and perfect. I'm just setting these off to the side over here. Once again, another new insert. Bonus. There's that. Old insert. Paper. And I'm getting another one ready here. This next one happens to be a Jack Daniels. It's brand new. It shines right down in there. So, actually, you know what? No. It doesn't shine. So, I'm not going to do that one because it doesn't shine. It doesn't shine. It's not new, right? This one here. This one shines in the back there. You can see that shine. So, take the case, undo it, put a flint screw in it, put a flint, or not put a flint screw in it, put a flint in it. There we go. Yeah, we're going to put the flint screw in after we put the flint in it. It's really weird. A little darker. The slims was my major concern with taking the stickers off. So these I don't think are going to be too bad, but I think I might have spoken too soon. So, come off of that one, going on this one. There you go. It's on there. There's another one done. There's 3. Sorry if I take too long on this. This hinge, once again, new insert, C of 14. I take these stickers off. Once again, they match. I'll take the 2 red dots off later. Put that back in there. Now it's back the way it was. Hinge is attached. It's loose, but it's attached, which is fine with me. This is the Hamilton. One before it was the RI, which they really stiffened the hinge up on. Stiffened the hinge. Yeah, right. That makes sense. Stiffened the hinge on that one. 2 flint screws out of that one. That one's done. So I'm kind of making my good keeper side and then my trash side over here. So actually, there. I might keep these rubber bands too for packaging stuff. There's this. Once again, this will match. I got another lighter here. Happens to be one of my Budweiser polished chrome lighters. paid a bunch of money for. I shouldn't have. Sorry, I'm doing this off camera. Kind of awkward doing it on camera. Plus, I don't have much room to do it on camera. Once again, inserts a bonus. Inserts a bonus along with the seal. So let's try to peel this off. And comes right off. Actually, I'll angle this down because you guys can't really see anything. About right there. I can actually stick this up on my keyboard a little bit and be fine. My computer's out. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. That's not good. I've been touching its sticker everywhere else but the... Oops. Alright. It's on there. Right. That is good to go. There's the box for it. Now that one has a steel. A seal. And hinge. Loose, but whatever. Insert C of 14 as well. What am I at now? Oh, I can't tell. I'm actually going to have to take the date off to do that. 17 minutes and 3 seconds. Looks like that one didn't come right off. There we go. All these, the hinges are fixed, which are great. There's that one. And here's all the date codes so far. The bottoms. So, actually, we're able to fix them all, which is great, amazing. And it doesn't look like there's one that they couldn't have fixed. So, happy with that. Once again, numbers should match. I got this one here, actually. This one here, polished. It's got this shiny in the back. Nice and ready to go. Oh, come on. Put the points in it. Take the Zippo flint. I only use the best for my Zippos. I used Zippo flints and fluid. Yeah, I don't use anything other than Zippos, flints and fluid. Even Ronsonol, I just use Ronsonol for cleaning purposes. And these stickers haven't been on here long enough to put much glue residue on the lighter. So, right here. Look at this, it's great. I know a lot of people take these and just put them on a board or whatever. Or their Zippo log. I know somebody's got a Zippo log that they got. I don't remember who that was. If you're watching this video, please comment and let me know who you are. They take all these stickers and everything and put it in like a binder type book. And I guess I just keep that. But these I just throw away. If I can use the seals, I will. Like right now, I can use some of that Ronsonol, which ironically I have right here. It's got the new insert in it. Once again, C of 14. Another new insert. I'm going to try to get this off first. And this one. Looks like these have been on there a little longer. Yeah, they have. Just a little bit longer. Alright. It's not clean enough. Here's my rag. Got a shop rag here. I recommend a shop rag versus paper towels on anything cleaning purposes, like the Brasso and stuff like that. Just easier. You don't use many paper towels or whatnot. So let's clean that off. So I just dump it on here, and it looks like there's a little piece of sticker. Just dump it on there. Take my rag, wipe it down, and then it's good to go. So it doesn't take much. Use the same for this one here. That's good because you don't want that getting in the wire itself. And it's like new. So there's that one. Fix the hinge. Here's the bottom. Oh, that one I didn't take the sticker off of. So, like I said, for me, the insert bonus, complete bonus, as well as the seals, which is great for me. 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 left, and I got 2 lighters. I was only expecting to get a few, so I'm going to finish up these, and then the other seals I'll probably just put on other lighters or something for now, just so that way I can have them. Let's keep that away from there. Let's just dig in this one. So I hope you're enjoying me do this. So I only got 48 minutes left on my camera anyway. It's going on for 22 minutes. Very long Zippo video. This one, brand new insert. This one was absolutely free from Zippo because they sent me one in. I sent them one in, and the bottom had holes through it, so I couldn't fix it. So they sent me a new one, and I didn't want the new one. I wanted my old one back. So they let me keep this one. I asked if they wanted me to return it for my other one, because I would, absolutely. And I said no, go ahead and keep it. So, yeah. So, needless to say, I got this lighter from Zippo for free. And it didn't come with a seal, they took it off, so. Today's the day it's getting one. This is the front, this is the back. Oh, too far up. There we go. Just like new. And I got a box for that one too. So far it's looking like I'm going to have to get more places to put these seals. Once again, C14 insert bonus. And if you haven't noticed, all the new Zippos have the red lift to fill pads. The lift to fill is in red. Even the Slims. Instead of it being black, like they were. It's now in red. So, like I said, all I was looking for was them to fix the hinge. This was a complete bonus. Inserts were a bonus. and I'm glad they put these seals on there. I was wondering if I put $10 in the box, if they give me 10 boxes. So, there's the other one, polished chrome. I'll show you all these once I get done. There's only 4 left. I think we should just take them out, put them on the. Yeah. Put them right there. Take that box and set it aside. The minute I put these away, I'm going to need them. Let's see here. Now, I have nowhere to go with these stickers. Since every one of them's pretty much been used, I have nowhere to go with them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on, I guess, some other lighters. I don't know what else I could do. Let me look in here for lighters that I can put these on. Let's see, this one's got a broken seal. I believe it's broken. Yep, it is. Which actually I could just replace it since it's broken. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. Sorry, I'm going to be back in just a minute after I find some more Zippos I can use. Alright guys, I'm back. I went ahead and found some Zippos that are brand new. I already went to put the flints in them and all that, so all I have to do is transfer stickers. So, let's get into it. First one is my silver plate Zippo from 2002. Go. Make sure what the back of the Zippo is. Okay. Here we go. There's that one. Now these first 3 went in a hard plastic case from 1980s. In the 80s. I'll grab my next one there. There's numbers match. So I'll take these off. Hopefully it won't take as much time. I probably should have everything prepared before I started the video. Guess what? I didn't, because I got home. I was so excited this came in through UPS today that I was like, yes! This hinge is not very tight either, but oh, this one. They spot welded the hinge back on. Right there, you can see it. Let's go ahead and get into that detail mode. You guys can see that spot weld right there. So it actually broke off inside there. That's all that was sticking up. So looks like they spot welded that one. So once again, see a 14 insert. Put the old one back in. Just as good. After I get done, I'll review all these. And actually, it only took them 2 weeks. They got it. I shipped it Monday. They got it Wednesday. They didn't contact me that week. They contacted me the following week, which is so it was Monday, and then you had Wednesday. Shipped it Monday at about 2:50, 3 o'clock. They got there Wednesday at 6 o'clock in the morning. Zippo contacted me the following Monday at about 8 in the morning, and then contacted me again on the following Wednesday saying they have shipped, or Thursday they have shipped, and then I just got them today. So exactly 2 weeks on the day. Not on the hour, but 2 weeks on the day. So this one brand new. You see it's shiny in there. It's already got a flint in it, so go. These stickers are great. I'm so glad that Zippo puts brand new seals on all their lighters when they go out now. So happy. Because that means I get to put them on my lighters. There's my next one. Brand new, ready to go. So, this one, it doesn't look like they really shows anything. It doesn't really show anything on the outside what they did to it. Let's see. Come on. I'll take a rag and clean that off. That's gonna drive me nuts now. That's okay. That's good. It's good enough. Ooh. That pad wasn't looking too good, was it? Alright. Free hinge. And once again, oh, this is the B of 14. So maybe my next three would be B's. Would be B's. It's hard to say. Say that 100 times in a row. And once again, you got the insert piece of paper dividing. And here we go. So, I don't care about what it could potentially do to the lighter. I haven't had any bad luck with these yet. So I'm going to continue to do what I do. So yeah. This next one is actually in a tin that I'm getting, so fun, right? This one doesn't look, actually it does. I got some hinge work done right there. See if I can get that to focus. There we go, there's more. Or yeah, hinge right there. Looks like they re-spot welded it. By the way, guys, if you're not watching this in 1080p, I'm sorry, I just now told you. Always check my videos to see if they're in 1080p. I'll tell you when it's on my cell phone. It's only 720p, but it's still good. But most of the time, all my videos are in 1080p. High def. Even Jeff's videos are only in B14, by the way. Even Jeff's videos are only in 720 HD. I don't think I've ever seen any of his videos in 1080. I'd like to, but I don't think he has a camera for that. This one actually yeah, it's got one rubber band. Last and final one. Alright, let's get my lighter. Now this happens to be the 65th anniversary Zippo. So it's brand new. Got the shine in the back. I done put a flint in it. Haven't struck it yet. Oh ho ho! Just dropped it. That's not good. Not good. Not good. Not good. So doesn't look like it's done anything to the back where I put my sticker. So shall peel it off of here. Oh, come on, there we go. Alright, last but not least. There it is. It's under, ladies and gentlemen. So, alright. Once again, C of 14. So I only got two B of 14s, which is interesting. Put the old insert back in. So I got 10 brand new inserts for absolutely $0. Well, let's see. I got 10 seals, 10 inserts. That's 20 pieces for $5.85. because that's what it cost me to send it in. $5.85. So for $5.85, I got 10 inserts and 10 seals that are all good and to put on my other lighters. Oh, and 24 flints. I almost forgot about those. So now I got 32 minutes left on my camera. I'm gonna get a drink of water, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and continue. Okay, here they are. There's one Zippo worked on. Now I put the original inserts back in. I've heard that the double stamp means that, or the double sticker means it has sentimental value and sent back no matter what. Let's see. Let's move all these off camera. So that's just your flints and inserts. Which actually, I might just make this my insert box, because I have so many inserts and flint and insert box. I might make that my flint and insert box. Okay. So I've heard that all the Zippos that they sent with 2 stickers on them all mean they have sentimental value to someone, and you're gonna send them back no matter what. So let's get into this. So far, there's nothing new on this lighter. I'll go ahead and peel this off, actually, so don't permanently damage that, and actually on the inside too, because I didn't take that off on the inside. If you want to see these more in depth, guys, I'll keep them out for a couple weeks. But that hinge, there it goes, finally. But it's very tight, very smooth. I like that. Not a big problem for me with these. I like them to be tight, but if they're not, no biggie, because I'm not going to be using them. They're not my user Zippos. So here's this one. Oh, yep, I took seal off this one. Alright. There's no new marks. That hinge is really sturdy. That's the best hinge I've got on this one. I can't tell if there's a new hinge in there. Probably not. No new hinge on this one. There's this. That one actually has a brand new hinge on it. Brand new hinge. Brand spanking new. Look how shiny that is inside there. Look at that shine there. Alright. It's got a brand new hinge. You see where they re-spot welded it? This one's yeah, one here, one there. Not even center, but that's okay. Yep, I got a new hinge on this one as well. New hinge. So I'm gonna put the new hinges aside. So 2 new hinge. These are new hinges. Hamilton Beach. Let's see. Looks like they used my. Nope, new hinge as well. This one's got a brand new hinge. And this one's got a brand new hinge. This one's got a brand new hinge. This one's got a brand new hinge. Brand new hinge. And brand new hinge. All 10 of those got brand new hinges. This one, I can't really tell on that whether it's brand new hinge or not. But knowing Zippo, they probably put new hinges in both these. I just probably just put the old insert back in it. Probably just put all the dirt back on it. So those are the ones that I sent to Zippo. They're all back. I will take all these off and take all the sticky stuff off of them. And alright, guys, a little lower angle shot here, but I just wanted to show you what they kind of look like with the sticker still on them. I still gotta take all that sticky residue off. So I just wanted to kind of show you what they look like. So you can see all them little dots on there. You can't really see it on that one. Neither on that one. That one you can see it. That one you can see it. Can't really see it on that one. See it on that one. Saw it on that one. Kind of see it on that one. definitely see it on that one. So I'm gonna clean this off with some Roncinol, and I'll get back to you. All right, guys, just got done cleaning. I had to move the tripod out of the way to get them clean, but you can see they're pretty much all there. Done, 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 done. So now they pretty much look like what before I sent them in, except all these hinges are fixed. So that's basically all I wanted for these lighters. So I got all the other let's raise this up a little bit. There's the ones that got fixed. Actually, I'm going to stack these on top of each other for now. I bring in the ones that have got seals on them now. I can squeeze that one in there. There's that one. And there's one more I can't fit in there. There's all the ones that got seals, just because these 10, plus this one here, and a 10. So that's it, guys. Still got like I only used 3 packages of flints, which means I have 9 left. So another 18. I still have 18 flints. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching, and please rate, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Hopefully not thumbs down. Hopefully this video is thumbs up. If it's thumbs down, please tell me why. Please tell me what I did wrong, what I didn't show, what I didn't do, because I like to fix my mistakes. And I'll go back and actually fix those and produce another video saying that I didn't do what I was supposed to do or whatever. So, please, if you decide to put a thumbs down, please tell me why. So, thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, these are all the ones that got seals because of these 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, plus the one here. So that's 10. So I honestly think that I wouldn't be able to get these off, these orange seals off, but them actually came off almost easiest. So just to prove to you that it is still recording this on the same date. There you go, top right corner. Should be there. If it's not there, please comment and let me know if it's not there, because I would like to know. Because I don't go back and watch my own videos. So this box here, I'll make that into an insert box with all my inserts in it. I'm probably gonna I might take all the flints out, or flints out of there, just so they don't corrode or whatnot. So I'll just take them out of there. So thanks for watching, guys, and like I said, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Take care.